Welcome to this week's Cooking at Riegelmann's. I've got Lisa here. She's our demo chef for Electrolux. And today we're gonna cook what?
We're doing a beautiful Bavette steak in a brown sugar bourbon marinade. So this is our Bavette steak. This is like a bistro steak. So what we're gonna do is put it into this bag here, and we're gonna dump in all these delicious marinade ingredients, and you can help me. So we have some, that looks like it's soy sauce, exactly, that goes in. Hot pepper, chili flakes.
Honey.
We've got some chopped garlic right here. We've got some Worcestershire sauce. We've got the brown sugar. And
last but not least,
your favorite part, that is bourbon whiskey. Yes, exactly.
And then we're gonna stick it in our Electrolux refrigerator because Electrolux is the best.
Absolutely.
And we're gonna let it marinate. So we went ahead and brought it out of the Electrolux refrigerator and we're letting it rest on some paper towels.
So we're gonna add some olive oil, and then we're also gonna add a little bit of clarified butter. And then we can go ahead and start putting the meat pieces in there and get them seared off to a perfect medium rare. The nice thing about this cast iron pan also is that not only does it work on this Electrolux gas stove, but it works beautifully on the Electrolux induction as well.
So we've got it about medium rare, just a couple of minutes.
Look at the beautiful crisp crust we've got on these little steak bites. So we're just gonna remove these to the pan, let them rest for a minute while we cook the mushrooms.
Okay.
So here we have our mushrooms, just button mushrooms that I've cleaned and cut just in half. You want to leave them large.
Okay.
And we're just going to leave those alone and let them brown for just a minute or two.
Those are beautiful,
Aren't
Lisa.
they amazing?
Yeah.
So now we're just going to put the steak back in the pan, toss it for 1 minute. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the heat.
Okay.
Just to heat those steak pieces back up, and we're ready to serve. And that's all there is. So let's go ahead and put it onto this platter.
We are going to take this outside and let somebody try it, and we'll be right back. Would you like to try some steak bites we just made?
Sure.
Tell
They
us
have
what you think.
bourbon in them.
That's really good.
You can find this recipe and many others at cookingatriegelmanns.com. We're in the Electrolux kitchen at Riegelmann's in downtown Gresham. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.
Cooking at Riegelmann's is brought to you by Riegelmann's Appliance in downtown Gresham.